Hello and welcome to our channel. Today I want to do a review on a boat with an inflatable body. This boat is made on the basis of the flagman boat. Why did we choose the flagman boat? Because it stands out in a number of ways. The first parameter is that it has the strongest PVC fabric, with a density of 1,100 grams per square meter. Other manufacturers use fabric with density of 600-650 grams, and for an airboat, this is a rather weak fabric, because the airboat is mainly used in extreme conditions, at shallow depths, over hummocks, and so on. It also has a good layout. Here the bottom is completely inflatable, and the balloons are located above the inflatable bottom. The boat itself is not very wide. This gives good maneuverability on rapids, in strong currents, and in mountain rivers. Here you can see that we do not have the scales, to which everyone is used to. Usually airboats are all armored with the polyethylene material in the form of scales. For those who do not know, I will tell you what scales are. These are polyethylene strips that are laced directly to the PVC fabric of the boat. This reduces the reliability of the structure itself, because when the scales are torn off, the PVC material gets torn too. In this case, a large-sized polyethylene sheet is used here. 1.5 meters wide, it goes from side to side. The scales do not allow full covering of this section of the craft. With the polyethylene sheet, there is protection across the middle of the balloons. That is, even if a stone comes across from the side or a branch that you crash into during operation, then this protects both the balloons and the bottom. This is only one of the advantages. The most important advantage is that there are no ropes or strips that attach the polyethylene sheet to the balloons, but here everything is attached to the aluminum frame with bolts. The fact that this protective polyethylene layer will not tear off gives reliability, durability, and ease of maintenance. Because changing the protective sheet is not difficult. Reduce the pressure in the balloons and the bottom, unscrew all the bolts on both sides, remove the old sheet, and screw on the new one. Inflate again, and that's it. That's the repair completed. This is a great advantage, as I don't even need to turn the boat over. Turning the craft over requires removing the air unit, disassembling everything potentially breakable, and so on. We already have operating experience from our customers, who have been using such airboats on mountain rivers for the second year. Mountain rivers are the most extreme conditions for such protection, because of the abrasion against the stones. We have good reviews on this particular protection, because it withstands all shocks and does not destroy the hull of the boat itself. This is one of the most distinctive features of our inflatable hull boats. Now about the design. We use 35 horsepower engines. There is a 27 horsepower engine on this particular boat, but we recommend 35. We install Longqing engines. This is a Chinese manufacturer, two-cylinder air-cooled, normally aspirated carbureted engines. They have proven themselves very well. The frame is completely aluminum. We do not use steel. We paint the aluminum with high-quality polyurethane paint in any color the customer specifies. Sofas and seats are installed. This includes seats with reclining back. There are lockers installed under the sofa and front seat, if required by the client. All this can be customized individually. Our website xaero.ru shows everything in detail. We have a very large assortment of additional options. The standard equipment includes mast headlights, running lights, LED headlights, a steering column, a fully optioned dashboard with an aluminum console. All this is included as standard. Plus, you can additionally order a lot of different equipment. A good advantage is the aluminum handle that is attached to the frame. So you can tow or you can drag a boat behind the ATV. In winter, take it to the river and not be afraid that there will be a separation in this place, because this handle is fixed to the aluminum frame. I know many people drag boats with ATVs and cars to the river and complain that they have glued PVC handles and they come off. We can make other additional handles as per the customer requirements. In this design, the awning is fixed, but we also make removable awnings. It will be attached with clips and can be removed easily. If you have any questions, write or call. We will try to answer all questions. Subscribe and see you!